I finally got it. My precious. Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today we're just going to do a flip through and a review of the planner that everybody wants. The planner I've been stalking my Target for over a month. The planner I made them go get from the back for the umpteenth time, and finally came in contact with a person that knew exactly where the crack it was in the back. I'm so excited. So let's get to it. So this is a 12-month student planner. It's academic, starts in August, ends next July. So let's just get all this off. Oh good, the rubber cement actually didn't try and, stay on there. So first things first, this is the part that everybody wants. These rings, these gorgeous lilac colored, I can speak, rings. They're very pretty. The cover says you totally got this. It's a holographic geometric pineapple. And this thing just accepts all the fingerprints today. I'm gonna take this stuff off because I don't need it. Kobe. Nope, I missed it. Okay, that was my Kobe moment and I missed it. Oh well. So here we're opening up on the inside. We have this cute little polka dot print. You got your hello page or hi there, your year at a glance or 2 year at a glance, course contacts page, class schedule, more contacts and class schedule, and then we get into the monthlies. Now this I'm actually not going to use as a student planner because I'm no longer a student at this point. I have a master's. I'm good. I'm good with school. I don't need it. But this will become my editorial / social media calendar planner spiel. And I bought this because I really like the colors, and it suits the colors of my brand, if that's what we want to call it. So when we get to our monthly overview page, you have an overview of the month, a little place for all the things, like a little list. You're currently loving, thankful for, thinking of, going, wearing, excited for, reading. I'm not really sure how I'm going to use that when it comes to my content planning, but we'll see. Important dates that I'll do, and what makes you smile. This, I'm probably not going to use it as what makes you smile. I'll probably find a way to cover that up. But the first divider says, don't give up, good things take time. Here's the thing about this planner. It is an exact recycle of a 12-month planner from earlier this year. It's this guy, the soft Geos. So that's why I will always call this pineapple Geos. Like the colors, the color story is exactly the same. And also here, because I'm gonna flip to August. This is in the soft Geos. The August dividers and the colors for the divider tabs, they're exactly the same. I mean, obviously this one's gonna be different layout wise if you want to compare the monthlies to each other. So this is the pineapple soft Geos, and this is the regular soft Geos, the 12-month planner. So this is the student planner, this is the regular 12-month soft Geos planner. So here instead you have monthly goals, notes, still your currently, birthdays, and don't forget. Yeah, so instead of having, I guess, a notes or some important dates, you have important dates, and whatever makes you smile you get instead of don't forget. So yeah, isn't that clever? Here, let's get to the inner of this thing. So you have your monthly calendar, and your Saturday and Sunday they have, I don't know if you can see this or not, but they have these cute little dots, these color dots that matches the same lavender purple for the month. And you have the same polka dot pattern now. It's on the inside of the cover. You have a place for monthly goals, a to-do list, and down here you have like little known trivia facts, which I love because I like knowing semi-useless information. Like peaches are members of the almond family. I didn't know that, and that's really funny because I was just saying how I need to make sure I go to the peach truck this week because I want peach cobbler. All right, so the difference between while both the soft geos and the student planners are classic size, the layouts are different. Last year's student planners were basically the same layout as regular classic planners. For example, I'll take out the soft geos. No, the soft geos have the little dots too. Huh. Observations. It looked exactly like this. So last year's student planners looked exactly like regular classic planners, like this. This year they changed the layout to have these 7 sections, if that's what you so choose to use it as. Seven separate sections, different subjects, different responsibilities, whatever you want to make it, that's what you do. And the weekend's together because it's a Monday start, duh. And the weekend is solid purple. You have a little spot down here that says weekend adventures. You have your August calendar up here. Your don't forget your upcoming test, which I obviously have to cover because school's been out for me for quite some time. And then I'm feeling happy, excited, fierce, smart, sassy, fabulous, and need a coffee. I'm most likely going to end up covering that up for my purposes as well. But for student planner, this is actually really, really good. I bought my daughter a student planner. She's 9. She has the Neon Dream ones, and it's really funny because I try and teach her, like, oh, you use this for math, use this for grammar, use this. No, she's a lister. So she has stickers where she lists her chores, she lists her schoolwork, and she lists her like personal responsibilities that she has to do for herself that day. And she lists her tests. And here's where she does her ticket tracking like I do in my lesson planner for her. But you have quite a few of these. I guess it depends on the month. 4 or 5 weeks of these, depending on how many in a month. And then you go back to your monthly overview for September. So instead of me flipping through all this, I'm going to show you. This is exactly the same one for next September, huh? I'm going to show you all the dividers. Let's see what Soft Geo September is. Yep, same. We're just gonna compare. It is exactly the same, yeah? October, it's rose gold. I love rose gold. Yep, October's the same. November. Remember, this is soft geos. Let me get this out of there. December. Oh, let me go December. You're a gym. January. Now, where did I put my January? Oh, that's not it. Everything's falling all over the place. But this is exactly the same as last year's January. All the dividers are exactly the same between the soft geos and the pineapple soft geos, or the pineapple geos, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. February, Hustle and Heart will set you apart, again in this really pretty rose gold. March, You Can Totally Do This. April, just regular old black with some pastel polka dots. May, oh, these little sayings are different. What makes you happy? And for April, if you could time travel, where would you go? That's cute. May, you got your little cross marks. June, I woke up like this because Beyonce told me so. July, and it actually matches the print up here for the months. I think, whereas in this one, and whereas in Soft Geos, this is more neutral. Let's see. No, it's pretty much, huh. So they made the band smaller, took out the hello part, kept the same font. Yeah, see, this has a color, whereas in the regular yearly version, it's just neutral. There's no monthly goals or to-do lists or anything. It's still the same gray dot grid for Saturday and Sunday, though. And the weeklies are not colored in this one at all. Yeah, the weeklies in this one aren't colored at all, whereas in the student planner, they're totally colored. And then you get to the end, and there's just the note page. And I guess I can get this off too. It's a 12-month dated planner, has monthly and weekly calendar pages, dividers, and a space for creative planning and scheduling. Obviously, it's a planner. What else are you gonna do with the planner? So I'm really excited to set this up as my social media planner, which I will be doing in the upcoming week. I'll be posting videos on YouTube and also on my Instagram as to how I'm going to make this work for that purpose. So if you would like to see more videos like that, please click the red subscribe button down below. And if you would like to see more videos like these, please don't forget to hit the like button. And for right now, that's it, because I have to get on to doing this week's Plan With Me in the Homeschool Planner, which I have something different than I've been doing for the past couple weeks. So hopefully you'll come back and stay tuned for that. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you coming and joining me while doing this flip through. I hope you come back and I get to see you again. Until next time. Bye.